Bell. Welcome to Area 51, where we have the man who is believed to turn himself into the Hulk here.
Very interesting.
We haven't turned him into the Hulk yet because we wanted to study his external body features and his muscular system before we turn him into the Hulk.
The muscular system?
Yes, the muscular system. The muscular system is obviously the system that has the muscles in it.
Oh.
But a lot of movies portray the skeletal system as being able to move without the muscular system, which is incorrect. Because muscles are responsible for most of the movement. Now, there are three types of muscles. There is smooth, cardiac, and skeletal. The cardiac muscles are obviously located in the heart, so we haven't really done a lot of studying of that yet.
Makes sense.
We assume that his heart is normal, but we will study it further when we turn him into the Hulk. Now, well, here comes Dr. Holbutter, who's actually an expert at explaining.
Good evening, Agent Shable. So,
I was just explaining to Agent Shable about the three different types of muscles.
Yeah, we're on a cardiac muscle.
Yeah, but I hadn't really explained the skeletal and the smooth, so if you wanted to go into the details.
Okay, the skeletal muscles are also called striated muscles, and they're attached to the bones, and they control voluntary movement, which is controlled by the nervous system. And the reason they're called striated muscles is because dark bonds or stripes show up under microscopes when we study the muscle cells. It has many nuclei and it consists of muscle fibers. The smooth muscles, on the other hand, are different. They're spindle-shaped and have one nucleus, and they are found in hollow structures such as the stomach, blood vessels, and the intestines. They move through your circulatory system and decrease the size of your pupils in bright light, and they can function without the nervous system.
So we've been running tests on all of his muscles, and as a person, they seem quite normal, and we haven't really found anything different. But we're excited to see what they look like.
I'm looking at his file right here, and in a couple minutes we're going to do some tests to bring him to life form.
When are we going to do the changes? When will you do the changes?
Well, we're planning on doing them soon, but we just want to make sure we've studied all of his muscles to get everything
to
correct.
measure the differences.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because, you want to. Okay. So now we're going to talk about the what happens when he contracts his muscles as a normal person. So we're going to see.
Oh, big guy.
All right. This is his arm. So can you flex for us? All right. Thank you. That's good. So the muscle fibers in skeletal muscle are composed of smaller structures called myofibrils, and you can see them on this.
Oh, very good description.
Yeah. You mean picture? Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's a good description of the picture.
Yes. And each microfibril is made up of smaller structures called filaments. And the striations in skeletal muscle are from thick filaments and thin filaments. And the thick filaments contain a protein called myosin. And the thin filaments are made up of mainly of a protein called actin. And the filaments arranged along the muscle fibers are called sarcomeres, which are separated from each other by segments called Z discs. And a muscle contracts when the thin filaments in the muscle fibers slide over the thick filaments. And energy for muscle contractions comes from ATP. And if you will come over here, Dr. Holbutter is preparing our mixture to wake up the Hulk.
These will be the chemicals that will transform
this is what will wake up the Hulk from Kyle's form. So, as we are planning on doing this in a couple of minutes, would you like to stay around and we can explain some more?
Yes, of course.
Day 2 of experimental testing.
Alright, Agent Chabelle, these are the chemicals that we will be using to wake up the Hulk when the time is right. But currently, we don't feel that the time is right because we haven't been able to study all of the stuff. Oh! His muscles were infected by a poison.
Stop, CDC!
Let me tell you that I saw your boyfriend walking down the street. He was standing all shaky, hands all sweaty, and he could hardly speak. I might as well take a minute or two to put you onto some game. You got a boy like him, a man like me, and that's just not the same.
Come back here this instant. I'm the CDC. You can't run from me. I'm serious. Get back here. You can't roam free. You're gonna hurt people. Come back right now. I'm serious. You're gonna hurt someone. I don't want to chase you. I don't want to hurt you or kill you. Just come back now. Oh.
the type that makes me feel.
Where'd he go? Where is he? Go down, Hulk! Yeah, this time I'm... Yeah!